A very long time ago, I reviewed the Beoplay E8, costs $300 and you can watch the video right over here. But today we're going to look at the Beoplay E8 version 2, which costs $50 more than the original, okay? But there are a few differences here. This comes with a wireless charging case, and it comes also with one extra charge in the case. So this had 12 hours of battery, 4 hours in the buds, 8 hours in the case, so a total of 12 hours of battery life. This one also has 4 hours in the buds, but it's got a further 12 hours in the case, making it a total of 16 hours of juice. But beyond that, I want to know what other differences there are between the new model and the old model. Does it have, say, better sound quality? Does it have better AV syncing than the old model? Who knows? So we're going to try that out. The earbuds look very similar. I can't really tell them apart. But what's really different here, as you can see, is the case. I gotta say that the new case looks very good compared to the old one. This has got a metal inlay, a more angular design, and USB-C fast charging. The only thing that this does not have is the lanyard. The old one has a lanyard, new one, no lanyard. But other than that, they look pretty similar and are just about the same size. Maybe this one is a little thicker than this one. Overall, the new case looks and feels more expensive for sure. And I also like the fact that it comes with a USB-C charging port. So reversible jack, very versatile, charges faster with faster charging power adapters as well. It also comes with wireless charging, so that makes it probably one of the best true wireless earbuds cases out there, okay? So wireless charging, very simple. Boom. 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 Okay, now we're going to test the sound quality between them, okay? So, first, some specs. They both run on Bluetooth 4.2, so it's not Bluetooth 5.0, which means that you may get some intermittent signal loss when you're walking in a crowded street, for example. They also do not support aptX. Both of them run on AAC or SBC. But it doesn't matter because I'm connecting them to my iPhone anyway. So, first, Beoplay E8, and then we'll switch over to the Beoplay E8 2.0. It's set to 60% volume, and I'm going to do the same thing for version 2, okay? So, version 1. Let's go. Oops. The same clean, open sound that I remembered. Deep bass, rich mids. Okay. Let's switch over to the version 2, okay? Somehow I feel that version 2, its sound quality is a little cleaner. Yeah, somehow it's got a slightly cleaner sound quality than version 1. I'm not too sure about that. I'll need to try version 1 again to confirm. Apart from that, it feels like it's got a smoother bass extension, and the bass as well feels a little tighter. But like I said, I could be wrong, so I'm going to switch back to the version 1 and confirm if what I'm feeling is true, okay? Okay, so I do feel that the version 1 feels a little brighter. It's like it's got a more raw sounding high end. Let's switch over to the version 2 again. Yeah, somehow version 2 feels a little more enjoyable than version 1. Highs, mids and lows sound smoother. Its bass feels a little tighter. Sound staging, in terms of the airiness and sound staging, stereo separation as well, they both sound pretty similar. So I can't really tell any difference in that respect, but for some reason, the version 1 earbuds sound a little brighter and more raw in the high ends than the version 2. Interesting. So, now let's try video to audio latency, okay? I know this has been a pretty big topic on my channel, so we're going to see if there's any improvement of audio to video latency in version 2, okay? So, let's do this. I'm going to put out the video here. This is from the YouTube app, iOS, okay? The reason I'm using the YouTube app is because there's no audio to video syncing correction built into the app. So if there's a lag, you're gonna really hear the lag. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna play one of my own videos because I don't want to get any sort of copyright strikes on my channel. And then I'm gonna hold the earbuds up to my microphone. So if there's a lag, you're gonna hear the lag. If there's no lag, then great. Okay, so Just a little bit of lag there, a little bit. I sort of expected this because AAC, you will definitely get a lag with AAC codec. Okay, so let's switch over to version 2 and let's see how version 2 performs in comparison to version 1, likewise. A little better. It's a little better. Yeah. So there's still a little, the lip syncing is still a little off, but overall, it's better. It's a little bit better than the version 1 in terms of AV syncing. Let's try version 1 again. Let's see if that's really the case. Version 2. Oops, sorry. Oh man. So the AV syncing performance of version 2 is slightly better than version 1. Really surprising because I thought version 2, the only difference is the case. But it appears that they've also made some improvements to version 2's sound quality and its AV syncing performance is a little tighter, even in comparison with other earbuds that don't support aptX. But if you're using version 1, and you want the wireless charging feature, the USB-C, fast charging, and that extra 4 hours of battery life in the case, you can buy this for $200. Very expensive, I know, but with B&O, I guess everything is expensive. Now, what do I feel about the Beoplay E8 version 2? I think it's a good update by B&O. I like the fact that it's got USB-C fast charging. I like wireless charging as well. In fact, the Beoplay E8 V2 is one of the only true wireless earbuds out there that feature wireless charging and USB-C. Battery life, I still think that they could have done better on the battery life. 16 hours in 2018 is okay, but 2019 I'm expecting like 20 hours and maybe even a slightly longer battery life in the buds themselves. Also, Bluetooth 5, aptX. I think these two features would really help to justify the $350 asking price. Anyway, B&O has always priced its products above the average asking price of similar products out there. It's possible to make the case that you can get much more in terms of features and in terms of battery life from other brands at a much lower price point than the Beoplay E8 version 2. But if you want that extra edge in fit and finish and build quality, in design, and even in sound quality, I think the Beoplay E8 version 2 is one of the best sounding true wireless earbuds out there that I have ever tried. If you want all that and you want a highly respectable name in the audio business embossed on the product, you know where to look. But I want to know what you guys think, okay? $350 for the Beoplay E8 version 2. Is it justifiable to you or not in the year 2019? Tell me in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron and you're watching Aaron's Wireless. If you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you when a new video pops up, okay? So ring the bell. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.